Meaning of dala-dala. Dala-dala. Dala-dala.
Dala-dala. Dala-dala. Dala-dala is a type of public transportation in East Africa, particularly in Tanzania. It is typically a minibus that can accommodate up to 20 passengers. Dala-dala is known for being affordable but also congested and uncomfortable due to the high number of people using it. The use of dala-dala is a significant part of daily life for many people in Tanzania who rely on it to get around, particularly in urban areas where traffic can be heavy. Despite its drawbacks, it remains a popular and accessible mode of transport for the majority of Tanzanians.